Well, hello world. It's call me Dahlia, and thank you for tuning in for another video of mine. So for today's video, I have no clue what I'm going to do. I'm going to do something though, obviously, because we're sitting here. But because you clicked on this video, you might as well just push the like button and the subscribe button and the notification bell, just because you're already here. Why not? I'll wait. I have time. Trust me. I have time. Did you do it? No, for real. Did you do it? Because, like, I'm being serious. Did you do it? Just click it. Click it. I said click it. Okay. Alright, guys, let's move on. But, yeah. Just to let you know, my eyebrows are done. They're, like, third cousins twice removed and not sisters, but they're definitely not the same. That I'm just telling you, so you don't have to tell me, because I already know. But thank you for telling me. Enough rambling, let's just get this video started. So I'm taking MAC's Paint Pot in Soft Orchid to prime my eyelids. Okay, so I just zoomed in because I'm a silly goose and I forgot to do that. I'm taking Makeup Revolution in Banana Powder to set my primer. I'm going to take Morphe 35B palette in the shade Fuchsia. I'm going to take a Sigma E40. It's just a tapered blending brush, and I'm going to use this with Fuchsia. So the next color I'm going to take is this purplish color. And literally, it's called purplish. I'm actually going to go in with a e.l.f. $1 brush. I'm going to take a Morphe 505 and I'm going to blend purplish, the color purplish out. And to deepen the outer corner, I'm going to take Grape Pop. And I'm going to take a Sephora brush. Then I'm going to cut the crease using Tarte Shape Tape. And I'm using a Wet n Wild concealer brush. For the lid shade, I'm going to take Pixie. To deepen up that crease, I'm going to go back in with purplish. No, Grape Pop. I'm going to take some NYX glitter liner. It's in Crystal Pink, and I'm going to add it to the inner part of my lid. Alright, so this is one eye look done. I'm going to do my other eye off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I got carried away. Not only did I do my other eye, I was going to do just my base, but I ended up doing my bronzer and my blush. Now for my highlight, I'm going to take, what is this? The Balm Mary Lou Manizer. I'm going to take this and this like pinky color, Lollipop. So I'm going to kind of dig into both. I'm going to take a flat definer brush. This is a Sigma E15, and I'm going to go into the 35B and grab the grape soda, and I'm going to apply this closest to my lash line. Next, I'm going to grab a Morphe E18, and I'm going to grab the shade Purplish, and I'm going to buff out that Grape Pop shade that we have going on under there. I'm going to take that same E18 and I'm going to grab Fuchsia, and I'm just going to apply that a little bit underneath purplish. I'm going to curl my lashes, and then I'm going to apply Kiko, the Kiko Extra Sculpt Volume Mascara to my top lashes. And because I don't want to take a trillion years, I'm going to do my lashes off of camera. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and I just applied Kiss lashes in my favorite style, corset. Next, I'm just going to grab a black liner. You can grab whatever you have. Mine is just a NARS, and I'm going to tightline and waterline. I'm going to set my waterline eyeliner with just some black eyeshadow. And then for my lower lash line, I'm going to use, for my lower lashes, I'm going to use Rimel Lash Accelerator. For my eyebrow gel, I'm going to use the NYX Control Freak. Alright guys, we're almost there. And I'm still zoomed in all the way. Sorry, but that's just the way it is. I'm going to take this Wet n Wild liquid catsuit in Purple Panic. Yeah, I don't like it. Let me see if I can grab something real quick before it dries down. Hold on 1 second. Sorry, I'm just going in with this melted lipstick. Well, to be more specific, it's a Too Faced Melted Liquid Lipstick in Melted Sugar. Alright, this completes the look. I hope you enjoyed the video. Since you made it this far, you might as well subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified each and every single time that I upload a new video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys! Why did I feel like I messed this up even more? I look jacked. Well, let's just get started.